My bad, y'all. On that last video, I said I won right here $10. I didn't realize that was $30 because I got 67, 28, and 66. 66, 67, and 28. My ass running my mouth and talking. I missed that whole thing. But let's see what I played for daily 3 today. I played 119 straight. That's my son's birthday, 119. And 114 straight. I just mirrored the 9. And lottery math, 9 is 4, 4 is 9. So I played 114. I played 450 straight box, 598 and 859 because that should have been hit. And the 794 and 479. So I play that every day, 598 and 479. Then I played 132. That 147 is hot. That 132 is cool because a consecutive is supposed to come. The consecutive is now 7 days overdue. It should have came within the 5th day, but it didn't. So I'm on them. You see, I played that 678, 786, 789, 901. 901 means 9, 10, 11. And I'm banking on that 786 and the 089. The 021, 432, 567, and you see the 354. They love playing that 453 in Cali too. 327, 871. See that 098, 1098, 243, 246, 629. Those are just some numbers I threw in because what did I do? Because 717 played. And so the pair 77 brings a 4-8. And then I played 286, 286 because 2 days ago 151 played and 010. And the ones and 151 brings 26. The pair 26. So I think if any number would fall, it would be the 629 or the 286. Played 854 because last night 945 played, so they might bring that 54 back. We shall see. 854, 654 is another consecutive. That's 089 again. And last but not least, the 871 straight. They've been playing that lately out here. They've been playing an 871 or 781. Then when I did my workout, I seen that 929, so that's why I just threw that in. And then if any false triple play, it will be 449 because 4 equals 9, 9 equals 4. So I play 449, 494, and 994. And if that doesn't play, it's going to be like 055 or 550 or 722 or 727, but we'll see. All right, y'all. Have a good day. Bye.